The Ecurie Ecosse Transporter is one of the most iconic and visually striking vehicles in racing history. Built in 1960 for the celebrated Scottish racing team Ecurie Ecosse, it embodied the team's innovative spirit and ambition during an era of motorsport dominated by major manufacturers. Despite being constructed after the team's back-to-back victories at the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1956 and 1957, the Transporter became an enduring symbol of their legacy. The idea for a bespoke transporter emerged in the late 1950s as the team outgrew their outdated converted buses. Following their Le Mans successes, support for the team soared, and the Ecurie Ecosse Association rallied sponsors including British Aluminium, Dunlop, Joseph Lucas, and Wilmot Breeden. Ronnie Alexander, managing director of Walter Alexander & Co., offered his company's services to design and build a custom transporter. The design was led by Selby Howgate, a former aerodynamicist, whose inspiration from aquatic forms led to the vehicle's distinctive streamlined aluminum body with a fishtail-like upward sweep at the rear. The transporter was built on a Commer TS3 chassis, powered by an unconventional yet robust 3-cylinder, 6-piston, 2-stroke diesel engine featuring an opposed piston layout and a Roots-type supercharger. This compact 3.2-liter unit produced 105 horsepower and a formidable 270 pound-feet of torque at low revolutions per minute, enabling a low-profile cab and a flat chassis that optimized space without compromising performance. Though maintenance was complex, the engine delivered impressive torque and reliability, critical for long-distance hauls across Europe. Finished in the team's signature flag metallic blue with gold lettering, the Transporter stood out on any paddock. It could carry 3 cars, 2 on the hydraulic upper deck and 1 in the lower bay, which also housed a workshop complete with a bench, vise, tool storage, and even crew accommodations. Its interior maximized utility within strict size regulations, making it a self-sufficient support vehicle. The Transporter made its public debut at Charterhall Circuit on May 29, 1960. Throughout the 1960s, it ferried Ecurie Ecosse's race cars, including Jaguar D-Types, C-Types, and the Togero EE, to racing circuits across Europe. When the team disbanded in 1971, it passed through a string of owners, including racing driver Neil Corner and historic racing specialists Tony Merrick and Roger Ludgate. At one point, it was repurposed to haul beer and animal feed and reportedly failed to sell for 15 pounds. Its resurrection came in the 1990s when Jaguar enthusiast Dick Skipworth acquired it through Lynx Engineering. Under the supervision of John Hay, a meticulous 3,000-hour restoration preserved the original bodywork while modernizing certain aspects for functionality, including crew sleeping quarters. The original drivetrain was retained, ensuring authenticity. Today, the restored Transporter operates under a United Kingdom historic vehicle license, cruises comfortably at 55 miles per hour, and appears regularly at events like the Goodwood Revival. It serves as a living tribute to a golden era of motorsport, a physical embodiment of Ecurie Ecosse's commitment to ingenuity, precision, and underdog determination. Only one original exists, with a faithful replica built in 2013 by Peter Agg's son. Together, they continue to captivate motorsport enthusiasts worldwide, a symbol not just of racing success, but of timeless engineering artistry.